Hello, friends. Welcome back. It's a beautiful day once again. Thank you so much for your continuous viewership. So, we've been covering a master topic called transformation, and we've been covering various subtopic under the master topic of transformation. So, today's topic is all about setback. What is setback and how do we overcome setback? Are you ready to listen? Great, fantastic. So, setback is nothing but a temporary U-turn or temporary obstacle towards your journey of either a job, business, or your education, or anything else what you are trying to do. You are expecting certain things to get achieved over a period of certain period of maybe 1 year, 2 years, but in between there is some obstacle comes, either because of your external circumstances, because of whatever the kind of circumstances which is beyond your control. So when such setbacks comes, what steps we should take? That's what we are going to discuss a little more in detail. So setback is, for somebody, it's some obstruction becomes a setback. For some people, it is not a setback. So it all depends on individuality, individual personality, what their experience, their background, a lot of things involved in this aspect. Okay, but one thing you all need to remember, that setback is not a permanent defeat. Setback is not an end. Setback is just a temporary U-turn, some temporary change in direction where you need to maybe stop and then take a kind of relook into it and then take a kind of steps next to see how we can take it forward. So if I give a simple example, like that Vikram lander, what kind of expectation we had, and then it failed. We spent about 960 crore rupees. That's a setback. Surely it was a big setback for our ISRO organization. And however, I think we are not just going to quit. The moment we quit after that particular setback, that becomes a failure. Am I right? In the same way, you would have heard a lot of stories. I'll give a simple example of how Amitabh Bachchan failed in the ABC Limited, which everybody knows, which is very much there in the social media, right? So, but how he really turned that setback, and then now how successful he has become after even failing drastically in that, badly in the ABC Limited, corporation management. Okay, so it's all about everyone who goes through certain kind of setbacks. So setback is just a kind of temporary, which we all need to remember very, very, very clearly. Now, as long as you are left with a small energy, a minute kind of spark in you, you can surely come back. You can come back very, very positively. So in the same way, whatever the situations, external environment, or your political environment, or any kind of different environment may put a kind of stress either on your business, or on your job, or on your health, or on your education, whatever it may happens. So I'll give a couple of more example. For a child who could not win a game, who could not win in a particular game, for him it's a kind of setback, that particular moment. Maybe for a student who actually could not complete a particular course in a school, for that particular year, it's a temporary setback for him, right? So at the same time, if you remember, go back to your childhood, you would have tried walking, right? When you tried walking, you would have fell down many, many times. Did you stop trying again? At the same time, you would have tried talking. People would have laughed at you, all right? So when they have laughed at you, did you stop talking again? In the same way, you would have tried either cycling or driving a motorbike, or maybe doing a kind of driving a car. You would have got a lot of hitches, right? In between, like it would not have possible for you to really drive a smooth vehicle from the day one. It would have taken many days of practice to drive a kind of vehicle smoothly. So it means what happens whenever you do any activity, when you do something better, surely it is going to lead to a kind of setback. So you need to really understand how do you overcome that particular setback. So there are simple, I will share that about 7 or 8 steps are there. So that's what we are going to discuss a little more in depth. Okay. Now, whenever anything you do, anything you are doing bigger, project, or in your life, or any long-term bigger goal or passion, what you are trying to chase, there are going to be setbacks. So you must ready to accept it and expect the setback. So don't think that there is not going to be setbacks. Setbacks will come in from different direction. So one is that expect the setback and accept the reality of the setback. And next is that whenever any setback happens, set a kind of some time to feel disappointed, right? So I always keep teaching my children that your success should never get into your head for more than 24 hours, and your failure should never get into your heart for more than 24 hours. So you should try to practice that. No, yes, success and failure is part of the kind of life. So when anything comes, it should not stay in your head. Success should not stay in your head for more than 24 hours, and failure should not stay in your heart for more than 24 hours. So there has to be a time limit to overcome the disappointment of such setbacks. And you need to really understand the kind of learning capability. What is your blind spots, which you wanted to learn, what you wanted to really learn. You need to identify those areas and then ensure that those strengths are improved, which I have spoken during the kind of finding your strengths, am I right? Find your strengths and then find the blind spots, and then you see how you can really improve that your blind spots, and then that will really help you to become a kind of more competitive, when the things become better for you. And you need to become more logical and than emotional, am I right? You cannot become emotional, keep cribbing about how it has happened, what has happened to you, rather than you start thinking why it has happened, what are the factors involved in it, what mistakes you have done, or what are the external factors which has made you really get a kind of setback. So, and also mainly you need to think about what is next. You need to decide what is next. It is not about next means thinking for long term, for next 5 years and 3 years or 2 years. It's just about what you can do for next 1, 2, 3 or 6 months time. How do you really overcome that next 6 months or 2 months or 3 months time? That's more like a short term game plan, or 3 to 6 months game plan. We need to really have it. And beyond all these things, you just need to be more positive, right? So positive means, positive doesn't mean that just smiling and just keeping positive talks. It's all about taking the learnings out of it and then converting that learning into a kind of more of a positive actions, which is going to help you overcome that particular setback. I think that's the simple principle, what we should really follow it. I know it's all whatever the principles I'm saying, it takes some time to really practice it. It has a lot of in-depth work need to be done. Okay, but once you practice over a period of time, it becomes a part of your nature, part of your character, part of your personality, right? So you just try practicing it. I'm sure this is going to be helpful. Okay, and I think that's all for the day. And if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press a like button. And also, if you really like it, you can also share it with your friends. And if you have any suggestions, please feel free to share your suggestions in this box, in this YouTube Messenger. That's all for the day, and have a wonderful day once again. Take care. Bye bye.